Lyft offers a mode in their driver app where you can get more requests during slower times, but those requests come in at a reduced rate. Let's discuss. So I actually saw this mode for the first time a couple of months ago, but a few weeks ago I saw Chris and Sergio discussing it on Show Me the Money Club. Lyft calls it priority mode, and it's for platinum and elite reward status drivers only. Here's what those drivers will see in their driver app. You'll see there's a little box at the bottom there that says priority mode. More rides when it's slow. If we select that, you'll see more information. Priority mode. Get more rides when it's slow. Most drivers earn 15% more. How it works. Turn on priority mode. You'll get matched with more rides, so you'll have more opportunities to earn. Get more rides and more earnings. You'll earn less per ride in priority mode, but most drivers earn 15% more overall. So if you've achieved platinum or elite status on Lyft Rewards, you can access a mode where you're going to get paid less per ride. And one commenter on Show Me the Money Club called it poverty mode, and I couldn't agree more. We don't recommend this at all, and I don't even want to discuss the particulars of how it works. It's not worth it at all. Don't use this mode. This is just another way to cut rates. Oh, you're going to give me more work but pay me less for that work? Where do I sign up? We are essentially operating small businesses in our cars. We want to be maximizing our revenue, not maximizing the amount of work that we do and getting paid less for that work. Expenses related to our car are just as important as how much we earn. Just because it's saying that you're earning more per hour doesn't mean in terms of revenue that you're actually earning more. It's all about our bottom line as a small business. If we're given more work but paid less for that work, that means it's going to cost more to operate. Again, this is another way to cut rates, and why would we drivers actively want to contribute to this? This priority mode isn't automatic. You choose to go into priority mode. Don't do this. You would be accepting rides at reduced rates in priority mode, and if nobody enters priority mode, then they can't reduce those rates. But in all honesty, for those of us in markets where we have upfront fares, we don't even know what the rates are anymore. Are they specific to each driver based on each driver's acceptance rate? Who the hell knows anymore? And if you do choose to drive during times when it's slower, make sure you're logged into both apps. Log into Lyft, log into Uber. Why would I want to increase my chance for requests on Lyft at lower rates when I can be logged into both Lyft and Uber at the same time and be open to much more requests at normal rates? Also, if you haven't downloaded the Solo app, that's another great tool to use. They have a schedule with projected average hourly earnings throughout the day, and they also offer guaranteed pay. So if you're not earning that average per hour, they will pay you the difference during those hours that you didn't earn to that average. Again, this Lyft priority or poverty mode is just another reason that upfront fares should go away. We should still see all the current information that we see upfront. We should see the entirety of the trip, the miles and minutes, but the upfront fare calculation, the fare being calculated upfront, that needs to go away. We should be being paid on per mile and permanent rates for the actual mileage and minutes that we are on the road. But what do all of you think? Have you achieved platinum or elite status on Lyft and seen this priority mode? Please tell me you've never used it. During slower times, just make sure that you're logged into both Lyft and Uber at the same time. And again, give the Solo app a try. For those of you that haven't downloaded the Solo app, our referral link will be in the description. Also, we have a newsletter, and a link to sign up for that newsletter is in the description as well. If you haven't watched my last video on choosing between the fastest and cheapest route, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.